Hey guys, I'm back and I'm happy because I found a Burger King with some truck parking. You know, it's hard to find parking at some of these restaurants. So I bought a 2 for $5 fish sandwich and a Whopper with cheese, light mayo. You know, I always give y'all some extra details. They call me extra. So I guess, no, I'm gonna eat the fish first because the fish is gonna get cold. And then it's gonna taste whack. It's gonna taste dense whack. But I should have got some ice cream with a cookie. I thought about it after I ordered Burger King fish sandwich. I guess this is a mukbang for that culo. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Well, I didn't think about nothing to talk about in this video. But I guess in the mukbang, you just talk about the food. Well, let's do that. It got pickles. It got lettuce. It got tartar sauce. It is white Alaskan Pollock. Pollock? I thought a Pollock is something that you call a Polish person. I don't know.
In 300 feet, turn right on Schonersville Road.
That's my GPS talking to me, guys. I don't have no ladies in here, unfortunately. Not yet. One day I'll get lucky in my truck. We're up all night to see who gets lucky. But my truck's a mess. But that's nothing new. Am I eating fast? I think I always eat fast. I need to slow it down before I catch a ticket. Like 2 Chainz says. I'm always in a rush. Like my last name is Vladimir Putin. No, Putin. It's pretty good. From a 1 to 10, I gave it like a 7.3. Could have been a little fresher, but I'm not complaining, guys. I gave everybody on YouTube the right to tell me to stop complaining. Whenever y'all hear me complaining, whether it be on a live stream or in a video, like Queen Helen Casey always be like, stop complaining. I'm working on that, guys. But we gotta complain. That's part of life. We just can't complain 24 hours a day, you know? Complaining in your sleep. I'm gonna give a shout out to May Gemini and Riza, the 2 sisters. Shout out to y'all. Anybody else I give a shout out to? Let me see. I'll be having people on my mind. I'll be forgetting though. Oh, Delicious Gamila. Shout out to you, bro. Haven't seen you in a while. I hope you start making YouTube videos again. Love you, bro. But anyway, guys, my sandwich is almost done. I got about 2 more bites left. And the video is about to hit 5 minutes. That's like perfect timing, but whatever. Yeah, buddy. Oh, Yo, shout out to Marcos Eat. My bestie. Where you been at, Marcos? I gotta go see if you live. I'm doing this eating this food got me thinking about you. The Mukbang King. But I will talk to you later, guys. I gotta go load my trailer. Peace out.